A pleasant Sunday evening turned into a disaster at the popular Dumboor Reservoir after a boat carrying multiple passengers capsized near the Narikel Kunja area, while several passengers, including children, were rescued with injuries. An 18-year-old youth has gone missing, triggering a massive search operation by the NDRF and local authorities. The accident occurred on Sunday evening, January 4, 2026, when a boat ferrying tourists and locals reportedly experienced a technical failure. According to eyewitnesses, the vessel lost balance and began taking on water repeatedly before sinking. Nearby boat operators and local fishermen rushed to the spot immediately. Their swift action prevented a larger catastrophe as they managed to pull several passengers, including terrified children and women, from the water. The rescued individuals were taken to the Gondotisa Sub-Divisional Hospital for treatment of minor injuries and shock. Pure Report, Chini Khorang.